Finding the inverse formula. Sometimes, the independent variable in a formula is known and the value of one of dependent variables is required. In this case, we need to find a new formula based on the original one but which expresses the new unknown quantity in terms of the known ones. This is known as the inverse formula. For example, in the formula, we have the following shown on screen. We may have the y known and be required to calculate x. In this case, we isolate x as unknown and write the rest of formula in terms of y. Thus, we have the following as shown on screen. For example, if y equals 7 and we need to find x, we obtain the following as shown on screen. Example. The number n of dust particles per cubic centimeter present in the environment at an industrial site in terms of the raining time t, in minutes, is given by the formula. We have the following shown on screen. Calculate the raining time necessary to reduce the air pollution to 8 particles per cubic centimeter. Solution. We already know n, but we need to calculate the time t. Thus, we isolate t to express it in terms of n. We have the following as shown on screen. Given that n equals 8, we obtain the following as shown on screen. Hence, if it rains ceaselessly for 100 minutes in the given site, the air pollution reduces to 8 particles per cubic centimeter. That is all for lesson 8.1.6, and the end of tutorial 8.1. To continue this chapter, please watch 8.2, Introduction to Types of Formulas. Rearranging formulas. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.